Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to move or cut any files or folders in the Finder of any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open the Finder. So now say I have one file here and one folder. So here I will show you two ways how you can move or cut the respective files or folders. So if you want to move it by using a mouse, you can just drag it to the respective folder. Then it will directly move to the respective folder. But if you want to cut it, then by default we don't have any such option to cut. So you can see here only we have a option to copy, so there is no move option or cut option here. So by using a computer mouse we need to drag it to the respective folder to move or cut it by using our computer mouse. And if you want to move or cut it using a computer keyboard, then what you can do is just select the respective file or folder, and on your Mac computer keyboard just press Command and C to copy, and now just select the respective folder where you want to move or paste. Now on your Mac computer keyboard just press Option Command and B, then it will move to the other folder. So you can see here it has completely moved or cut and paste on the other folder. So by using these two methods, you can easily move or cut any files or folders in the Finder of Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.